Hello traders, Alla on August 25th. This morning we discussed with my incredible students that buying the market this morning not a good idea. This is the power of the software in front of you. We discussed this is broker's heaven when price was stuck in ultimate chop. This is a key, this green zone in front of you right now. And that's how intelligent trader pays by the rules. And that's how intelligent trader never speculates. And that's simplicity and power of the software. This is what intelligent trader monitors right now. And that's how you obey the rules with Alpha Fibonacci System. Market is a stepping stone. This is how intelligent trader trades. Here comes the buyers. Do you see the power yet? No, not yet. There is no power. There is zero reason to pull a trigger. There is zero reason to speculate. And that's the basics and purity of the software right now. Market moving very, very fast. That's it. You operate as a sniper. You do not operate as a trigger-happy cowboy. Rules are met, take a trade. We have key levels right now. So again, we remain stuck in ultimate bullish weakness. We're extremely clear that this is your trading range this morning. We're extremely clear that this determines weakness or strength. This is weakness. If this level remains intact, intelligent trader not pulling a trigger. This is a key part of the system discussed in live classes. You're witnessing it live. How crucial this moment is. Market evolves from 1 minute chart and higher. This is your critical barometer chart. This is a chart that's in front of you at all times. Next to hourly. This remains. You are not placing a trade. So this key levels to the upside. The bold pink line identifies bullish weakness. Here we are. Key moment traders this morning in front of you right now to the upside. Do not overcomplicate trading. Market is a stepping stone, moving one step at a time. There is no random points. There is no random entries. There is no random targets. All precise. Entries, stops, and targets. So if you understand the power of this, you're scaling out very, very carefully. Key moment, next. Again and again and again. As intelligent trader says, again and again and again. So Sanjeev sharing one of my advanced strategies, bulletproof. He took 11 points on his trade. There is no limit to how many strategies I will keep developing. Every year I teach advanced strategy. Sanjeev and I have been working together for the last year. Sanjeev wants to learn everything. Sanjeev wants to trade everything. He can't get enough. That's it. And when scanner give you alert, and all the obstacles out of the way, take a trade. This morning, lesson again and again and again on patience and rules. Agree? As we discussed, market in ideal place. We dealt with multiple obstacles. Obstacles out of the way. Enjoy the ride. But never forget to take the profits off the table. Never. Because number one goal, preservation of capital. More you learn, more opportunities you have to trade. More you understand, less time you spend in front of the screen. So here we go, traders. 30 minutes after market open, Intelligent Trader is done. You witness stunning collapse right at the open. You witness stunning perfect reminder. As we discussed, Intelligent Trader never ever shorting near. Intelligent Trader only interested in long. Intelligent Trader exiting the trade right now. Out. All of this identified well before market open and discussed with my incredible traders well before this played out. That's the power, that simplicity of the software, and a stunning reminder. Patience is a key, and when you are at the key level and rules are met, enjoy the ride. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. As CEO says, your system Alla is the best system to teach one the meaning of both patience and discipline in one glance. Sanjeev wants to learn everything. Trading advanced strategies. Basic strategy played out in front of you this morning. Scanner showing you clearly. That's it. What is 11 points on Dow? $5 per tick. One lot, $55. 10 lots, 550. 20 lots, 1100. 30 lots, do the math. You're only interested in quality trade. And when you take a quality trade, you close the computer and walk away. Your trading day less than 30 minutes. And that's the power of the software, and that's the power of the system.